welcome to today's special edition of Adventures in Handwriting. I'm Miss Melissa, and for today, you'll need So according to my calendar, there's a very special and spooky holiday coming up in a few days. Do you know what it is? I'll give you a few hints. On this holiday, we see lots of black cats and skeletons and spiders and big, big pumpkins. And the best part, candy. Do you know what it is? What holiday is coming up? Shout it out. Let me hear you. Louder. Yes, that's right. It's Halloween. It's one of my favorite holidays, and I hope it's one of yours too. So for today, we are going on a haunted house adventure. You will need your costumes and your trick-or-treat buckets. And let's get started to that haunted house. Come with me. Oh my goodness, this really is a big haunted house. I'm so excited to go in, but also a little scared. Let's see how we get into this big haunted house. I think we have to find a big door. Do you see it? Oh, I do too. It's right over there. Let's go. Will you help me knock to get into the haunted house? Okay, ready? Oh, a little louder. Knock with me. There we go. Oh, it's opening. Wow, I've never been inside a haunted house before. Have you? It's kind of spooky. Let's go see what we can do first. Oh, I see a really, really big pumpkin patch all the way over there. Let's go. Wow, look at all these pumpkins. I think some of them still need to be carved. Can you help me do that? Oh, great. This activity is called Roll a Jack-o'-lantern. We're going to roll the dice and follow the directions on the dice to see what to draw to make our jack-o'-lantern. So first, everyone is going to need a big piece of paper. We're going to hold it sideways, just like this. And you can get markers or crayons, anything you like to color with. I'm going to use some markers. I'm going to take my first marker, and first, before we draw the parts of the pumpkin, we have to draw our pumpkin. Does anybody know what shape a pumpkin is? Tell me, louder. Yes, that's right. It's a big circle. So we're going to take our papers and draw a big circle on our papers. Now make sure you start a little underneath the top, a little down below, not all the way at the top, because we're going to need room to draw our stem. Okay, here we go. So everybody's going to take their marker and start at the top and draw a big circle around back to the top. Perfect, just like that. Great. Now it's time to roll our dice to see what we get to draw first. The first number we rolled is the number 3. Great. So it says here, for the number 3, we get to draw his eye, and his eye is going to be in the shape of a triangle. So a triangle has 2 slanted lines and 1 straight line across. It looks like this. Slide down, little line across, slide back up. Perfect. Let's do it together. You're going to put your marker on your paper to draw one eye. We're going to slide down, little line across, and slide back to the top. Perfect. Just like that. Great. Let's see the next number we get to roll. It's the number 1. Ooh, it looks like it's his other eye. And it kind of looks like the first one we drew, but it's upside down. So it's an upside down triangle. Can anybody tell me what letter they see in the upside down triangle? Because there's one hiding in there. Yep. So the triangle is like this, upside down. Who sees that upside down letter? You're right, it's the letter V. So we're gonna start with a letter V and then make a little line across to connect both lines together. Here we go. We're gonna make our sliding line down, slide back up is our V, and then connect the two lines at the top. Perfect, just like that. The next number we roll is, ooh, it looks like the number 4. And for the number 4, oh, we get to draw our little jack-o'-lantern's nose. All right, so it's a little curve and a line across for his nose. So everybody start with me. It's going to be the letter U and then a little line across at the top. Perfect, you got it, good job. All right, the next number that we're gonna roll is the number 5. Ooh, what did we get this time? It looks like his mouth. Ooh, this looks a little hard to draw, but I think we can handle it. So everybody get your markers. We're gonna draw a big smile all the way at the bottom. Then we're gonna go back to where we started. We're gonna make a little line across, then a line down, then a line across, then a line up, then a line across, then a line down, then a line across, and then a line up, and a little line across to stop. Perfect, just like that. What a great smile you made this jack-o'-lantern. And the last one we're gonna roll is going to be the number 2. And that, it looks like we're gonna draw the stem on the jack-o'-lantern. So everybody put your markers at the top of the page for me. And this shape is in the shape of a rectangle. So we're gonna make a little line up, a little line across, and a little line back down. Wow, that looks great. You made such a good jack-o'-lantern. I'm gonna color mine in. You can join me now, or you can color it when the video is over. Here's my jack-o'-lantern. I can't wait to see yours. Let's go see what else we can do in our haunted house. Come with me. Ooh, I think I hear something. It's coming from over here. Do you hear it too? Oh no, I don't know what it is. I think it's coming from this door. Do you hear it too? Let's go inside and see. Oh my gosh, it's filled with ghosts. I hope they're friendly ghosts because sometimes I get a little scared. Oh wait, listen, they're trying to tell us something. These ghosts need help. They need help finding their missing letters. We can definitely help them, right? Okay, great. So for this activity, you're gonna need a white piece of paper and a white crayon and some colored markers. Now I know what you're thinking. How can we use a white crayon on a white piece of paper, Miss Melissa? That doesn't make any sense. Well, it's Halloween and special things can happen on Halloween. Let's start to look for the missing letters on the ghost. When you see a letter on the ghost, just shout it out. I'm gonna look too. I see one flying around on one of the ghosts. What letter is it? Tell me. Yes, it's the letter B. So everyone's gonna take their white crayon and they're gonna write the letter B on their paper. Let's do it together. We're gonna make a big line down. And I want you to go over that line a few times, even though I know it's hard to see. You're gonna stop at the top. Then you're gonna make one hump around, go over that a few times, and then another hump, again. So it's a big line down, jump to the top, little belly, little belly. Now I want you to put your finger right on that letter B so you know where it is, because it's kind of hard to see, right? And now I want you to get any colored marker. I'm going to use orange because it's Halloween. And I want you to open that marker, and I want you to try to find that letter that you drew and color over that letter. Keep coloring. Good job. I see the letter B. Do you? It's not missing anymore. We found it. Awesome job. Let's find another letter on these ghosts. Oh, where could it be? Where could it be? Oh, I see one. Do you? What letter is it? Shout it out. Yes, it's the letter O. So right next to the B, we're going to draw the letter O. So you start at the top, make a magic C all the way back to the top. And you can go over that a few times also. Good job. Remember, keep your finger where it is. Get another color. I'm going to use purple this time. You can use the same color or change colors. And you're going to color over that letter O. Oh my gosh. That is the coolest thing. It magically appeared. We have one more letter to look for. All right, let's look on those ghosts. Let's see what they're trying to tell us. Anyone see it? Anyone see it? I do too. It's the letter O again. So everybody get your white crayons and draw the letter O right next to the letter O from before. So one big circle. We start at the top. We make a magic C, come all the way around and to the top. And just go over it a few more times. Keep your finger there. And we're going to color it again. I'm going to use purple again. And see if you can find it. If it doesn't come out at first, just keep coloring over it. You guys did such a great job finding their missing letters. Let's see what they were trying to tell us. B-O-O. What does that spell? Can anyone tell me? Let's sound it out together. B-oo. B-oo. Boo! I think they were trying to scare us. I had so much fun on today's Halloween adventure. Thank you so much for joining me. Please visit adventuresinhandwriting.com for more adventures. I'll see you next time. Thanks.